Time for our ETF Spotlight. Santoli's taking a look at the transports coming off their worst day in nearly 6 weeks. And in the midst of their first 8-session losing streak since 11, it's got everybody's attention.
It really has. Although if you look at previous 8-day losing streaks, so yesterday was 8 days, this is the shallowest of them, so it's been kind of a slow drip. So the implications are maybe a little bit mixed, but certainly worth watching. If you look at the chart of the IYT over the last year, that's the Dow Transportation Average ETF. Also, the XTN, that's the S&P Transportation Sector ETF. They pretty much track one another, as you can see, even though the S&P version is equal weighted and it has a little bit more trucking. So there's a difference in mix. But obviously, you had a lower low. It did not quite get back up to last fall's highs when we had this rally off the December bottom, and now it's curled lower. So I do think people are asking what the macro implications of this naturally are. But look at airlines, the Jets ETF, which is strictly global airlines, so it's not just U.S. airlines. That has been the source of a lot of the weakness lately in the broader transports. It's down something like 7% year to date. The other piece of this that makes it hard to interpret is even with this 8-day losing streak, transports are still outperforming the market. So they kind of led you on the way up. They're giving up more on the way back. And it's kind of similar to some of these other things like Russell, like the small caps, like semis, which kind of were supercharged in the rally, and now they're backing off more. So worth, I think, monitoring.
We had a bunch of airline CEOs on closing bell yesterday. We have railroad CEOs today, which is sort of nicely timed given this move. I didn't get a ton of doom and gloom on the economy, on global demand. Yeah, they're seeing some international weakness.
True.
But domestically, I mean, you didn't hear any kind of recession talk.
Not at all. It just seems a bit more about what the market is willing to pay for full planes right now. You know, thinking that it's still going to be promotional. Is it ever going to get better? Jet fuel's inching higher. I mean, it's a lot of, kind of smaller points that are amounting to a little bit of compression in those valuations.